Imagine this. Your organization is investing heavily in digital transformation. New tools, new projects, new teams. But months later, your leadership is still asking the same question. What is the business value of all of this? The problem isn't that your teams aren't working hard. It's that traditional ways of managing work, by project, by department, by function, don't give a clear picture and how it all connects to outcomes. That's where value stream management comes in. At its core, value stream management is about looking at your organization through a different lens, the lens of value. A value stream is simply the set of steps your company takes to deliver something of value to your customer, whether that's a product, a service, or even an internal capability. Value stream management means identifying those streams, connecting the work your team is doing to them, and tracking how efficiently value flows from idea to execution to impact. With VSM, you're not just measuring the outputs like the number of projects delivered. You're measuring outcomes, the actual benefits the customer and the business receive. That gives leaders clarity, your teams a purpose, and the organization's ability to pivot when priorities change. In fact, research from Forrester shows that when companies use value stream management, they see faster delivery times, stronger alignment between strategy and execution, and greater returns on their technology investments. So, what is value stream management? It's the modern way to connect strategy to execution to outcomes. So every team knows the value they're creating and leaders can see the bigger picture. Ready to see how it works in practice? Check out Tempa's portfolio.